Glass cups were most widely used in the last 2 centuries. For some people it may look difficult and tricky to apply with all these special fire effects, but actually it's quite simple. Prepare a cotton ball, forceps, 96 or 99% alcohol, and lighter. Take a cotton ball with forceps and put it in alcohol. Make sure to squeeze it a bit in order to avoid burning drops from harming you or your patient. The idea of this application is to burn the oxygen from inside the cup, thereby creating a vacuum, and to stick the cup quickly onto the patient's body before fresh oxygen infiltrates the cup. Thus, it's very important to stay close to the patient and hold the cup close to the treated area. Then light the cotton ball. Put the torch inside for a few seconds and put it quickly on patient's body. Make sure you don't hold the torch outside the cup or close to its base, causing cup's rim to heat and eventually burning the patient. Likewise, be more careful with large size cups as they are usually heavy and can fall during the treatment, especially if you treat in sitting position. Leave the cups on patient's body for 5 to 15 minutes and watch the cups during it to avoid blisters appear. When time is up, press the skin near the cup, let the air come inside, and it will be released. After you finished, clean the cups with a flannel soaked in alcohol. You can easily find glass cups on eBay, Amazon or AliExpress, and all the links are provided in the attached PDF file.